back to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I am coming to you guys about this hair right here, about this hair right here, about this hair right here, about the hair. I am coming to you guys about this headband wig that I received from Beauty Forever Hair. And if y'all can't tell, I am most definitely excited about sharing the wig. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so let's get into it.
I think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe. And I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk. I'ma take their risk.
This is what the hair came in. This is their Beauty Forever box. I've already taken the hair out because I washed it and it is still a little wet, so just bear with me. So it came with like a thank you card, and you know, it kind of tells you what else they sell and whatnot. It also came with a wig cap, a nude wig cap, but I just put the black one on because, you know, we're gonna save that one for when we get a lace. Eyelashes, real cute eyelashes. They cute or whatever, they cute. And 2 headbands. I'm glad they sent black headbands because that's like what I wear all the time, but I don't work at my job anymore, so it sucks because I do have like black and white polka dot. So yeah, this polka dot headbands, and then this, like, it's not, what is this, like these little birds, you know, on this headband. And of course they sent the wig. This is a 16-inch, I believe it's a jerry curl wig, headband wig. So I'm excited to try this on because I've been seeing these headband wigs going around for like, I don't know, a couple of months now. Like, basically because of COVID, there is like a shortage on lace or whatever, shortage on lace fronts and whatnot. So they came out, or whoever came out with headband wigs, which I'm excited about because it's like you throw it on and go. Let's just get into it. Oh my god. Like I always say, y'all know edges is not my thing. Baby hairs is not my thing, y'all. They're not. They look cute at first, but now they're a little wavy. I don't like that. If y'all have any like tips and tricks for people who have adult hairs and how to lay them, y'all let me know in the comments, cause I be struggling. Like, look at this. I did not braid my hair. My hair is actually straightened. It's been straightened for like a month or so now. I needed to wash it, but because I got this wig, I was like, you know what, let me just brush it back so I can have some extra hair out and not worry about like my braids showing. So yeah, let's put this dang wig on for real. This is the wig. Again, it's a 16-inch curly wig, still drying. I ain't putting no products on it. I just rinsed it and co-washed it basically. So it does have a black headband to start off with, which is great, and it has a comb in the front and then it has a comb in the back. So there are no side combs, which may be okay because of the, you know, the band, you just tie it. So let's put this on. Y'all look at this. I just did a ponytail. I just did a ponytail and I braided it, so hopefully it's not too bulky. It's curly hair, so that's really why I was like, whatever. I need somewhere for this comb to latch on to, y'all. It ain't latching on to it. It's just sliding. What the? Okay. Yo, let me, hold on. Wait a minute. I had to zoom in for y'all because I'm very shocked because I don't even wear curly hair. Well, not that I don't wear curly hair, but I don't wear curly hair. Like, I never buy curly hair. This is my first time with curly hair, and this is too cute. Like, look at these curls, though. Oh my gosh. Beauty Forever. The hair feels soft. It ain't got no type of smell or nothing, y'all. So the straps, they have a Velcro thing. Let me see. I feel like I got a small head, so I feel like the Velcro was longer so I could tighten it more. You know, we like our wigs to fit tight. So it's not tight. That's a downfall, but I'm amazed right now. Y'all, look. Here goes a style right here. Just throw it up. Like, just throw it up real quick. Oh my gosh, yo, look at this. Look at this. What y'all think? I don't even care for real what y'all think. I mean, I care, but if y'all don't like it, I don't care, because look at this. And I'm honestly, I see like, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whose idea? Who came up with this? Oh my goodness. This is so cute, y'all. I don't even know if y'all can tell how cute this is. So I'm running my fingers through it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it ain't no tangles. Because I know, like with curly hair, some girls like to brush the curl out to make it bigger. But I really like this wet look. And I think I just want to let it dry, but I'm already combing it out. So it's like,
I'm about to go to the shop.
I know the reason that I like it so much is because of the hair. And the hair is still human hair. It's still virgin hair. It still can be dyed. It still can be straightened. I mean, it's Jerry curl, so I don't know how straight it's gonna get. But it still can be washed. It still can do all of those things. It just doesn't have a lace on it. So you can literally just throw it on and, you know, go on about your day. Because you don't have to worry about fixing the lace. Like, what lace? There isn't a lace, literally. So might as well make it a little bit bigger. Why not? I did say I like the curl, but I just want to play with it now. Yes, sis. Yes. It's giving me growing from the scalp. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's giving me, this is my hair. It's definitely like worth the hype, I feel like. Especially if you're somebody who's on the go, if you're somebody who can't lay your lace quite yet, you're somebody who ain't got time for lace, don't want to pay for lace, whatever the case may be, like, get you a headband wig. I mean, you got to wear a headband, but get you a headband wig. So I'm gonna bring these curls back just like this. Look at that. I don't even have conditioner in this bottle. I literally just have water. That's it. This it, y'all. This the one. That's what they say. Ain't that how they say it? This the one.
I can wear this naked and I can't talk shit no more.
Put a little ponytail to the side. You can put it to the side too, you know. Alright, y'all, so that is going to conclude this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please make sure that you hit that subscribe button to see more content from me. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. I will leave all information in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So I really just wanted to come on here and show y'all what the hair looked like dry. I also did not put any product on it after wetting it, and you know, it's like big again, but it's like more defined big, so I'm messing with it. And then I also pulled my headband up. I don't think I actually showed y'all what the headband wig looked like up, like past my edges. And it's cute this way too, so I mean, come on.
When she with me, them other niggas is stink. But now with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She wanna roll that shit.